welcome to Maths Guru channel. How are you all? I hope you are all fine. Let's see. Just I am going to introduce one new chapter of 6th class. Before that, just listen the introduction of this chapter. Okay. Suppose there are two students. Okay. There are two students. You want to give to them fruits. Okay. But you have only one banana. How to share for the two students? How to share? Only you have one banana. Example, I have only one banana. I want to share two students. How we can share? Simply, we can cut it the banana, right? Like this, two pieces we will do and we will give. Okay. Now, so same way, you have only one carrot. You have to distribute this carrot to two students. Okay. How we can? Simply we can cut it middle and we can give these two pieces to them. Okay. So here just one whole we are sharing. Okay. Means we are dividing that whole into two pieces. I said no. Now that each part we can call it as a fraction. Each part we can call it as a fraction. Okay. Now in this video I am going to explain about the chapter fractions and decimals. That is chapter number 7 of 6th class maths, state syllabus. Okay. Chapter 7, fractions and decimals. Fractions and decimals. Okay. Before going to this chapter, you should know about the definitions. What are the definitions are there in the chapter? First you should learn the definition, then go for the exercises, right? Now, fraction. What is a fraction? Now only I said no. Small example. What is a fraction? It is a part of a whole. One part of a whole is called a fraction, right? Fraction is a part of whole. Fraction is a part of whole. Fraction is a part of whole. Example, through the figure, just I will show you. This is one whole. This is one whole. Whole means mottamu. Okay? Whole. This is one whole. Actually, okay, afterwards. This is one whole. This whole just I am dividing into two parts. I am dividing into two parts. This is full one whole one. Okay. Now if you divide that whole into two pieces, then it will become 1 by 2. That whole will become 1 by 2. That each part we can call it as a fraction. We can call it as a fraction. Okay. Example. Just in this fraction you are having numerator and denominator. Yes sir? Numerator and denominator. See, this is the numerator, this is the denominator. And the general definition of a fraction also you can. Okay. The fraction which consists of numerator and denominator. The fraction in the form of a by b. The fraction in the form of a by b. Where a and b are called whole numbers or natural numbers. Okay. This. Okay. Now that general representation of a fraction is a by b. General representation of fraction is a by b where b is not equal to 0. Where b is not equal to 0. Next is here few more definitions you have. Fractions types. Okay. Types of fractions. Types of fractions. First type is proper fraction. Proper fraction. First type is proper fraction. Okay. Here proper fraction. When the numerator is less than the denominator, a fraction in which numerator is less than the denominator. Numerator is less than the denominator. Numerator is less than the denominator is called proper fraction. Proper fraction. Here numerator is less than the denominator. Suppose 3 by 4. Example. Okay. 4 by 3. Sorry. 4 by 5. See here. Sorry. Yes. Numerator is less than the denominator. Means that numerator is less when compared to the denominator. Means that numerator will be small number, denominator big number. Numerator small number, denominator big number. Okay. These are the few examples for proper fraction. Okay. Once take the screenshot. Next, improper fraction. Very simple improper fraction. Just you can change the word. Less than is the now you can write the greater than symbol. Then it will improper fraction. Improper fraction. Improper fraction. Okay. A fraction in which numerator is greater than the denominator. Numerator is greater than the denominator is called improper fraction. Improper fraction. Okay. Example. Here numerator only greater than the denominator. These fractions only take it reverse now. Numerator is greater than the denominator. Right. This example for an improper fraction. Okay. Next is mixed fraction. Mixed fraction. What is mixed fraction? Okay. The combination of whole and part is called a mixed fraction. Simply. Combination of whole and a part. Whole and a proper fraction. Proper fraction is called mixed fraction. Is called mixed fraction. Okay. Now example for that. Here what I said, combination of whole and a proper fraction. No. So whole means here any number. Suppose 2. 2 is one whole number, right? Now proper fraction. Here what I said, proper fraction. Proper fraction means numerator is less than the denominator. One more example. 3. 2 by 3. One more example. 5. 3 by 4. Okay. These are the few examples for mixed fraction. Okay. Combination of whole and part. Combination of whole number and part. Okay. Etc. This is a mixed fraction. Now according to your syllabus, one more definition is there, that is equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction. Just to take the screenshot, let me see that also what is equivalent fraction for you. Okay. Equivalent fraction means very simple. Here you can take one fraction and multiply with any constant. Here on I will tell you equivalent fraction. equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction means just one example I will explain. Suppose take 2 by 3. For that fraction, just you can completely multiply and divide with any constant number. Multiply with divide with any constant. Now 2 fours are 8. 3 fours are 12. Now 8 by 12 is a equivalent fraction of 2 by 3. 8 by 12 is a equivalent fraction of 2 by 3. Now one more example. 3 by 4 into 5 by 5. 3 by 4. I took one fraction. For this fraction, just I am multiplying and dividing with one constant, any one constant. Now product of numerators by product of denominators. 3 into 5 divided by 4 into 5. Okay, 3 5s are 15, 4 5s are 20. Okay, now 15 by 20 is called equivalent fraction of 3 by 4. That is what is equivalent fraction. Means suppose a by b is one fraction. For that fraction just you are multiplying dividing with one constant k. With one constant k. General representation of equivalent fraction. Then ak by bk is called equivalent fraction of a by b. Equivalent fraction of a by b. Okay. These are the few examples. According to yours, still more are there, but according to your syllabus, state syllabus, just these are the few definitions are there that only I explain. Okay, next video I will explain the exercise questions. Okay, actually in my videos, previous videos, if you observe means I did not use any Telugu word. Why? Because I went one interview. Just to what I have knowledge, just although I explained all the subject, but because of not a proper English communication, because of that only they rejected me in one interview. So I'm seriously I seriously took that, and in my videos I did not I will not use any Telugu words. Just I decided like that mentally. So if you observe our starting videos, any single Telugu word also not there. And after some days, my students only said that, why madam all you are explaining in only English, just sometimes you can explain in Telugu also so that we can understand easily. They said directly to me. Few of my school students only said to me. That's what. Sometimes I am using Telugu also. Okay. Just this is one experience I am sharing with you. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.